Good day, this 125th day, meaningful moments, 365 days. Today happens to be Cinco de Mayo, and I got a early morning notification from my dear sister reminding me of the celebration today. And while I've enjoyed celebrating Cinco de Mayo, I know that for a lot of people it's a celebration, and everybody can get behind it in so many different ways, like a lot of things, St. Patrick's Day and different Independence Days, etc., and not really have any connection with what the meaning of that festival is all about. So I wanted to share with you this meaningful moment as I thought about Cinco de Mayo and why I celebrate it. So Cinco de Mayo was a revolutionary war that unlikely uh, bedraggled kind of Mexican army won against the French army that had come in. And of course, they were a military unit, and that is why, the Mexicans and the countrymen of that area, the state of Puebla, weren't seen to have been likely victors. But they did. They gathered together and they were able to win the war that had come to their homeland. And they fought with this intensity of wanting to preserve their land and be free. So while I'm not a proponent of war, it exists, and there are so many individuals who have gone out there and with all good intention um, acted in the ways that were needed to preserve their home, the family, the community, just so many different components to that. And it was also a victory of not just unity, but of hope. And perhaps today, while so many are facing different kinds of challenges and different things to overcome at this particular time, be it from the pandemic to economics to, the emotional and mental health, the states of our well-being, personal challenges, whatever we're going through. This is, all within that compass of being able to keep that hope. So today, in honor of Cinco de Mayo and the celebrations and the victory that is possible for you and I at every level and for us all, keeping that hope alive in this Cinco de Mayo and this meaningful moment. Blessings upon your day.